watching. Welcome to the channel. If you're seeing me for your first time, hi, my name is Benna, and on this channel I share delicious recipes and tips for eating and staying healthy. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please go ahead, subscribe, join the family. Today I am making air fried stuffed bell peppers. Now if you haven't tried this recipe before, you definitely want to make it for your family. Bell peppers are one of those vegetables that can hold up ingredients really well. This right here is super delicious, super tasty, and so quick to make, and a really healthy lunch or dinner idea. Now let's jump into the recipe. So we have here some bell peppers. I'm using all the 4 colors. You can use any color of your choosing. I have some homemade tomato paste. I'm going to sneak in some extra vegetables. So I have my chopped spinach. I have my onion. I already went ahead and chopped it. I had some leftover cooked quinoa in the fridge. I'll be using that. I'm using ground turkey. You can go ahead and use ground beef or ground chicken, whichever you prefer. I have my garlic here that will be minced, some chopped parsley for garnishing, some cheese. So let's get cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do will be to prep my bell peppers ready for stuffing. Now, did you know that there were 2 ways in which you can do this? There is the traditional way and non-traditional way. Please let me know in the comment section how you do stuff your bell peppers. Do you do the traditional or non-traditional way? I am going to do the traditional way, and the main reason is because it is going to allow me to put all the 4 bell peppers in my air fryer at the same time. Now the non-traditional way obviously looks more presentable. Both of them look more presentable, but the non-traditional way looks more, has a little bit of attitude to it. I love it. So I'm using my ice cream scoop as well to just scoop out the seeds and any parts that are inside of the peppers. You can use your hands, you can use your spoon, whichever way you prefer, that's fine. Once that's done, I'll not throw out the peppers that are left on the stem. I'll chop them up a little bit and add it to my stuffing. And next I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil just on the skin only, and I'll massage the peppers, and then I'll put them aside ready for the stuffing. Now let's proceed to do our stuffing. Onion. Also going to mince in the garlic into the onions so they can cook together for about 1 to 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and just add in our ground turkey. And I'll cook the turkey down until it is fully cooked. I'm going to add in a little bit of chili powder. This is totally optional. You can leave it out. I just want it a little bit spicy, so I added in a little bit of chili powder. I'm also adding in some Italian seasoning. You can do any of your preferred seasoning. And our turkey has been cooking for 3 minutes. Make sure you cook your turkey or your beef or your chicken to your desired doneness. But I think it's almost done. We are almost there. I'm going to go in right now with our tomato paste. So the tomato and the turkey has been cooking for another 3 minutes. I'm going to go right in with our vegetables and our quinoa. I'll add in about half of the leftover bell peppers because we don't want to waste any. I'll add that into there to give it more color and more light. I'm going to add in our quinoa. And I'm also going to add in our spinach. And once the spinach is wilted, because everything else has been cooked, I'm just going to turn off the heat and then we can proceed to the next step. Now I think the spinach has wilted. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat. It tastes so good. I just tasted the stuffing, it's so good. So I'm going to go ahead right now, family. I just stuffed in our peppers with our stuffing. You want to be careful that it doesn't spill out. Oops, just what I said. Can you see how everything just fits so perfectly? All the filling just fits in the 4 bell peppers so perfectly. Just take a look at that. Look at that. So gorgeous, super gorgeous. So fam, I went ahead and sprayed my air fryer basket with a little bit of olive oil. I just arranged the bell peppers in there. So I'm going to take 350 for 8 minutes. So I just selected the fish. It gives me 350 for 8 minutes. I'm going to air fry this, but I'll check it halfway through 4 minutes and see how it's going. It's been air frying for 8 minutes. I did check halfway. Right now I'm just going to pull it out and see how it looks like. I'll pull it out and see how it looks like. This is how it currently looks like. And at this point, I'm going to go in with the cheese and just sprinkle on top. And I'll put it in the air fryer again for another 1 minute until the cheese melts. And then I'll take it out. Like 1 minute later, let's check it and see how it looks. Ooh, take a look, family. So family, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video with me. If you do, please do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to the channel, join the family. You are really welcome every time. And when you do subscribe, do not forget to turn on that notification bell. It's next to the subscribe button, and make sure you select the all option, so each time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Until I come your way next time with something healthy and delicious, please continue to drink lots of water, stay hydrated, be well, be safe. Thank you. Bye.